Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm here for presentation result analyzing of article by me, Clarissa Atif Nusaibah, from the University of Muhammadiyah Ponorogo. Okay, well, the content of this video is about describe the article. For the first is the themes and research problem. So next, research result, conclusion, suggestion, and the lab. Next, for the first article is analysis of student difficult in mathematics problem solving ability at MTS Swasta Ira Medan by Milda Rizky Novriana and Edi Surya from Mathematics Education Postgraduate Program Study, State University of Medan. Okay, for the themes is difficulties in mathematics problem solving. And the research problem in this article is describe the analysis of student difficulties in solving math problem class 8 MTS Swasta Ira Medan. For the next is research result. The research result in this article is based on the result of the research show, the most students MTS Swasta Ira Medan class 8 are not able to solve the problem that were provided with meet the level of indicators of problem solving ability. For the conclusion, based on the analysis and discussion of results of research can be conclude the percentage of student ability to understanding problem reach 84 and 62% and classified in the category good the percentage of problem solving ability of student to planning 60 and 34% and classified in the category good enough. The percentage of problem solving ability of student to performing the plan 39 and 74% and classified into categories very less. The percentage of student ability to confirmation the answer, the result obtained 32 and 5%, and classified in the category very less, while the average percentage reached 54 and 48%, and classified it in the not enough category. This indicates that students have difficulty in solving problems, obtain tests, and interview with teachers in the field of mathematics studies, such as the first, students have difficulty solving mathematics problem is writing text or question. And second, students always misinterpret the problem. And for the next, if students don't understand the problem, then they will guess the answer from the problem. Fourth, the students don't want to find out the solution of problem given. And for the last, the students have difficulty in understanding the problem, so can interpret into symbol form. For the next, my suggestion for this article is for a student must to be practice more and study math to have a good result and not having any difficulty. In doing tests that has to do with math solving problem. And for researcher, can use this as reference to do some research to know more about students' difficulty in math problem solving. For the leg in this article is, this research is a quality descriptive research to know how to describe students difficult in math problem solving ability class 8 MTS Swasta Era Medan in Cube Material. The mathematics problem solved The mathematics problem solving is analyzed by its four indicators, and the indicators are understanding problem, planning, performing the plan, and confirmation the answer. For the second of article, the title is Difficulties with Problem Solving in Mathematics. The theme is difficult with problem solving in mathematics, and the research problem is same, difficulties with problem solving in mathematics. So for research result, the second article is the review of the research literature on factors that contribute to student difficulty in mathematical problem solving, suggests that the mathematics contents level of the problem which students at different years level of schooling will be able to solve successfully. And the different strategies or heuristics which students at different year level use to solve the same mathematical problems. And for the conclusion of the second of article is, problem solving in mathematics can be described as thinking and working mathematically. But the converse is not true. Problem solving, which requires an individual who is engaged in a mathematical text to coordinate and manage domain-specific and domain-general piece of knowledge. Successful and unsuccessful problem solver in mathematics differ with regard to knowledge, control and beliefs, and effects factor. And for this article, my suggestion is the teacher must govern the design of problem solving of curricula at the various years level of schooling. And the leg for this article is, too many theories show that readers are confused about which method to use. Okay, next for the short article. The title is Mathematical Achievement and Critical Thinking Skill in Asynchronous Discussion Forum by Seibu Mary Jacob. Okay, for the theme is student difficulties in mathematics problem solving. And for the research problem is, the focus of this study is to discuss the major mathematics skill and cognitive abilities in learning that cause the difficult in mathematics problem solving among students from student point of view. Okay. The research result for third article is, the study was done using a combination of qualitative and quantitative approach to gain a clear understanding of student difficult in mathematics problem solving as well as to triangulate finding. And for the conclusion, the study concludes that students face mathematics in mathematics problem solving due the incompetency in acquiring many mathematics skills and lacking in cognitive abilities of learning. Generally, the majority of the students did not acquire this skill at life. Cognitive abilities in learning such as the ability to recall, memorize, and perceive influence the efficiency of problem solving. It is followed by a 45 minutes focused group interview using an updated interview protocol by ICANN and Gottman 2006. Each interview was recorded and transcribed. Items and contrasts measured in the questionnaires was validated using REST model, and later the reliability of questionnaires use was confirmed. IPA Current batch 0 and 79. Quantitative data was analyzed descriptively using percentage and quality type. Data was analyzed descriptively using coding. And my suggestion for this article is understanding on how the deficit influence the problem solving is expected to give effective guidelines in preparing diagnostic instrument and learning modules in order to develop the mathematics skills. And for the from this article, the research is not finished. Further action must be taken to analyze the hypothesis that needs to be done. Okay, next, fourth of article. The title is Student Difficulties in Mathematics Problem Solving. What do they say? By Tarazimah Tambicik and Tambi Subahan Mira. For the themes of this article is mathematical achievement and critical thinking skills. For the research problem, mathematical achievement and critical thinking skills in asynchronous discussion forum. Okay, for the research result from this article is the first year university students need a lot of support in terms of coping up with the new learning environments and taking ownership of their learning. The ODVS available on the Blackboard were used as a means of establishing good rapport between the student and the lecturer. All these participants were new to the experience of using online DVS in the educational setting. 2 problem-solving sessions were planned of the DVS with instructor problems posed at 2 different times, week 4 and week 10 respectively, during the 45 weeks-long course. For the conclusion, is the finding of this study indicate that the initial mathematics ability of the student could play a role in determining the level of city in mathematics to which they could be placed to perform in the ODVS. Although the majority of the participants were thinking critically to some degree, comparatively few posting were found the reflects high level of city. The mathematical achievement of the student measured using the final examination scores was found to be significantly correlated with the case model score reflecting the city skills of the student. The students who have exhibited fairly good city and skill have fared well in the final examination too. City skill, when properly encouraged, could result in improvement in mathematical achievement. Thus, it is worth investing time to encourage city skills, which will in turn help to improve the course result and the university stakeholder. Next, for my suggestion for this article is research on ODVS to facilitate city in teaching and learning could be an area to dig in further for mathematics and non-mathematics educator and researcher. For the lab is city skill when properly encouraged could result in improvement in mathematics achievement. Thus, it is worth investing time to encourage city skills, which will in turn help to improve the course result and the university stakeholders. Okay, for the fifth for the fifth of the article, the title is an analysis of elementary school student difficult in mathematical problem solving by Pradhana Ponapiket, Sowiman Wongwanich, and Siridej Sujivar from the Department of Educational Research and Psychology, Faculty of Education, Chulalongkorn University, Bangkok of Thailand. For the themes, the difficulties in mathematical problem solving. The research problem is according to the latest national test result. Most students lack mathematical problem solving skills. Okay, for the research result of this article is this research aims to analyze the difficulties in mathematics problem solving among elementary school. Samples are divided in two groups, elementary school students and mathematics teachers. Data collection was conducted by structured interview, documentary analysis, and survey test. For the conclusion is finding from the analysis of mathematical problem solving difficulties among elementary school students suggest the students do not like to read very long problems. When the students do not understand a problem, they are like to make a guess without having any mathematical thinking process. This resulted in accordance with the studies of Lam year 20 and 2010 and Jiban and Deno 2007 that states the level of reading skill is a significant indicator to mathematics achievement. In the same way, a study of Sambat Potong in in 1999 says that students lack analytical and reading skills and are unable to analyze the problems given. Okay, for the suggestion, my suggestion for this article is these findings are important to student problem. Okay, I'm sorry for the trouble in my data cellular. Okay, next. For the suggestion of this article is these findings are important to students' problem-solving process and it will lead to the development of mathematical problem-solving diagnosis tests. For the left in this article is unable to figure out what to assume and what information from the problem is necessary to solving it, and have difficulties in understanding the keyword appearing in problems. This can interpret them into symbols. For the sixth of article, the title is Critical Thinking Essence for Teachers Mathematics and Mathematics Problem Solving Skills by Abhyendra Abusal Peter. For the themes is mathematics problem solving skill and the research problem is several barriers can impede critical thinking instruction. For the research result of this article is mathematics education instructor at both the secondary and post-secondary level can enhance student critical thinking skills by using instructional strategies that actively engage students in the learning process rather than relying on lecture and not memorization. And for the second is focusing instruction on the process of learning rather than solely on the contents. And for the last is using assessment techniques to provide students with intellectual challenge rather than memory recall. For the conclusion is the goal for a mathematics educator who want to instill critical thinking skill in their classroom is to think of their student not as receiver of information, but as user of information. Learning environments that actively engage students in the investigation of information and the application of knowledge will promote student critical thinking skills. However, as with any skill, critical thinking requires training, practice, and patience. Students may initially resist instructional questioning techniques if these previously have been required only to remember information and not think about what they know. They might struggle with assessment questions that are not taken verbatim from the book. However, by encouraging students throughout the process and modeling thinking behaviors, student critical thinking skill can improve. The effort is worth the reward. Students who can critically think for themselves and solve real world problems. Okay. My suggestion for this article is critical thinking requires training, practice, and passion. Students might initially resist instructional questioning technique if they previously have been required only to remember information and not think about what they know. They may struggle, they may struggle with assessment questions that are not taken verbatim from the book. However, by encouraging students throughout the process and modeling thinking behaviors, student critical thinking skills can improve the effort if is worth the reward. Students who can critically think for themselves and solve real world problems. For the lack is students are accustomed to being passive learners by merely memorizing and recalling information. For the last article, the title is Metacognitive Skill in Mathematics Problem Solving by Loviga Pratama, Wahyu Lestari, and Jailani from University of Yogyakarta. The theme is mathematics problem solving. For the research problem in this article is describe the student metacognitive skills. For the research result, the researchers categorize the student metacognitive skill into reflective use, strategic use, aware use, and tactical use. The data collection methods in this study were documentation, test, and interview. For the conclusion is, in sum, this study gave insight into metacognitive skill of students in the disciplines of mathematics. Furthermore, this study can also be used as a material consideration in planning learning model or strategy of aims to optimize and improve student ability in mathematics problem solving. For the suggestion in this article is when making use of the finding, the study should be done with prudence because the study clearly has some limitation that need to be taken into account. And for the lack in this article is about the problem are not necessarily relevant for students in other countries. Okay, maybe enough here my presentation of 7 articles. And the last, I also sorry if you some mistake from me. And goodbye. Thank you. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.